What's going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video. And yes, you know I've been waiting. We've all been waiting for this Galaxy S10e from Samsung. Yes, not the Galaxy S10, not the Galaxy S10 Plus, not even that 5G model. We went with the 5.8-inch Samsung Galaxy S10e. Let's get into that unboxing. Now, why did I choose 5.8 inches? Well, that's because I feel that, especially since dealing with the iPhone XR, I feel as though that the size is so much better at 5.8 inches than it is for the 6.1. 6.1 is still not bad, but I just really feel like that 5.8 inch is a sweet spot. Oh my God. Look at this box. Oh my goodness. Y'all see this box? Samsung knows how to do their own presentation. Look at how that like shines too, y'all. Oh, so clean, so clean. Samsung Galaxy S10e. So which one did I get? Of course, it does not tell you on the back here. But I got the, oh yeah, it does. 128 gig model. I don't need a 256. Especially after using the Apple phone, I realized with storage usage, you know, with some cloud and the fact that I don't really use storage like that, 128 is good. And like it's good to see that Samsung has made that their minimum amount in terms of storage. But as we know, it comes with a wall, USB charger, stereo headset, USB connector, the reference guide, terms and conditions. And I'm excited to try out the new Samsung One UI. Why is that? Because we know that with the S9 Plus and the Note 9, they ran fantastic before, and we know they're gonna run even better now that they have new and improved software. Oh my goodness, look at this phone. This is not fair, man. This is just not fair. Okay, so we got, because everything likes to play difficult around here, y'all. I'm excited. We got the SIM ejection tool right here with all the paperwork in here. Let's check this out real quick before we get into the main course. Let's check out the appetizer here. Boom. Open this up. What we got up in here, because we will be using that SIM ejection tool to remove my SIM card from my XR to this. So yes, this is all the pre-install. Oh, it comes pre-installed with a screen protector. If you guys don't see that right there, that's clean. Yeah, remove that. Make sure it allows for all. Yep, okay. So all your reference guide stuff, toss it. Alrighty. Now, woo, oh my God. Yeah, oh my goodness, the hand. Oh my God. Guys, the hand, and oh, it's slimmer than the iPhone XR in my opinion, or at least it feels that way. And the size, like 5.8 inches is where it's at. If I could have afforded the XS, I would have got that over the XR. And I'm so glad I got the 5.8 inch size of the Samsung Galaxy S10 series in the S10e. Now we see it's coming with all this plastic on it. Now the difference you see here, woo, y'all see me? Look at that reflection. Now, as we see here with this, we get 2 camera modules on the back instead of the 3 on the S10 and S10 Plus, and then I believe the S10 5G model comes with 4 cameras. But here we get 2. One is a wide angle, one is you know, the regular size, I believe. There's no telephoto, which is cool. You know, it's good to see we get wide. And in the front, you just get 1 camera, of course. It has some level of facial recognition. I've seen somebody say they fooled it with a picture of themselves, so that we will test that out for sure. But I think what we can do right now is take off this. Okay, look at that. This is clean. Prism Blue is clean. Now I am still kind of mad at myself because when I saw Prism White, I was like, I missed out. But at the same time, it's nice to be different because a lot of people either got the green or that Prism White, or some people like just getting that uniform black and that suit and tie black. But this Prism Blue is very beautiful. It's hard taking off the screen protector right now, so I'll leave it on for now. I figured out how to get it off at some point. Now the other difference between this model and the rest of the S10 series models is the fingerprint sensor. Here we got a side mounted fingerprint sensor, and I like that. It's in a good place. It could have been a little lower, but seeing as how small or how form-fitting the phone is in your hand, it's actually in a nice spot. So let's go ahead and power this on. There should be juice in here. And as that powers on, let's see what else we get. So we get the SIM card. I got the T-Mobile variant, of course. Whoa. Android recovery, huh? I don't like that. Is a boot checker, boot center. Alright, well, hey, let's reboot system now. It should. Maybe this is what happens when you pull the phone straight out the box. But yes, I got the T-Mobile variant. So here we go. Secured by Knox, as you see. We get the I don't know what this is right here. Y'all don't need to see that. We got our wall charger, and thank goodness Samsung has been got with the picture in terms of giving you a fast charger. Hey T-Mobile. We get the fast charger. We get the USB to USB-C adapter. And then we get the headphones. So you guys, Tiger Claw, we don't need you right now. So let me put her down. Oh, she talks. Okay. Now, you know, who doesn't like having excessive cables in this little thing here? As you guys see, I'm impatient with opening it. You get your USB-C cable for your charger and everything. Boom, bow. We'll be using that shortly to charge it overnight, you know what I'm saying? Put that over there. And then you get headphones still because, oh, tuned by AKG. These look clean. Samsung knows how to give you some good quality looking and good quality sounding headphones that come in the box. And of course you get your several different earbud sizes that attach to these. So, yeah, I don't know how to, I don't want to, okay. How about that? There we go. See how easy that was? Now, if we just stop being difficult here. Thank you. Now, look at these headphones. They look nice. Now me, I'm an over the ear or, you know, on ear, not in ear guy in terms of headphones. But as you guys can see here, if my doggone, come on, hey, okay, no. Look at that. Okay, there we go. Look, braided cable, braided. So I like that. You know, it's good quality. Now, let's get back to the phone because I think that's what we're all excited for. I don't think there's anything else in that box. It's a nice box nonetheless. Let's move some stuff out the way so we get to the phone. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the phone up. And I will be right back. Now, I'm still over here setting it up, but it's gonna check for a software update, and I believe, you know, what they would call in the gaming world a day one patch or day one update. It allows you to remap the Bixby button to whatever you want, except for Google Assistant, but you can still remap it. So I am going to find a way to remap this to a capable app that I like using, or I might just turn it off. See, and then we're gonna get into it. Just hold up. Now, I'm here, and it asks you what type of, ability to log in, your form of security. So I pick pattern, of course, and I pick fingerprint sensor. Oh, there we go. Okay. So it wants to make sure it gets all your fingerprint. So you just keep doing that, and I really like this position they have it in. So, boom, record. Reposition your finger each time to capture the edges. Oh, okay. There we go. This is a typical, situation. McAfee. Let's see. No. No. Thank you. All right. So I'm not putting that on my phone. I probably would advise you not to either, but it's up to you, of course. But yeah, it's up to you. So as it finishes, it touches, I'm gonna go through and set up my phone, and then I'm gonna come back in another video and actually tell you guys about that. But some of the things I just kind of wanted to show you guys about this. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, give me 2 seconds. Alrighty, so it's gonna ask you about, you know, being able to restore stuff from your Samsung Cloud. So if you have any, we're gonna turn this volume down because you get disrespectful with all this sound. Ooh, thank you for the slider. All right, so okay, notification of changes, yes. Okay, cool. Okay. All right, so as it interrupts me as I'm speaking, ooh, this full screen is crazy, guys. Like, I'm instantly in love with this. This is maniacal. Like, what in the world? So I'm gonna change these down here to the gesture-based function and swiping and everything. But yes, it's gonna ask you about, you know, restoring data from any previous Google devices or Samsung devices you have. And the reason why I just decided not to do that is because I don't use my Pixel 2 as a daily driver anymore, so that's old information. And I haven't had a Galaxy device since the S8, even though it wasn't really that long ago. You know, of course, again, I have updated information. So this is gonna look a little different, you know, the next time I come back in here. It's very smooth off the bat. It's amazing. You got Bixby over here. Let me go ahead and hold this. So one of the immediate things you can do is come in here and actually turn Bixby Home off. And so that's what I'm doing right there. And that should actually free up some RAM and free up some available, you know, just speed. Now, being able to swipe on this is amazing. It's 56% left on the battery, but just being able to swipe on this is crazy. So, oh my goodness, guys, Samsung has finally stepped it up. And now, of course, it's just day one. And the phone just was unboxed, so you know we're gonna run it through its paces and see how the 6 gigs of RAM holds up in the 128 gig model, which it should hold up fairly well. Plus, Samsung One UI seems to be lighter. So, swiping up and down right there. One of the things I highly suggest you guys is come in here, and if you want to change, you know, you can sort it alphabetical, so that way it's easier to find things. You can swipe left and right. That's not a big deal to me. I like things that can be different. You can also change in settings like how many of your notifications show up. I like to have them all up there, so that's no big deal. I'm gonna add my battery percentage up there. I'm probably gonna take the screen protector off. We'll see down the line, but this prism blue is beautiful. This phone feels good. And there's a feature that Samsung has integrated into, I think, all the devices, of course, but it's like the lock screen that can change. So let's say I come out and I do that. Oh, you see how fast that fingerprint sensor was? Crazy. So how about I just double tap? You see it change? It changed. So, all right, so let's close it again. Let's double tap. It changes. See, I'm leaving that feature on because I like variety. I like difference. And so I wish, if anything, if I can add wallpapers to that, I definitely would like to. But ooh, look at that wallpaper right there. Yo, I'm psyched. I like Samsung's new approach to what the lock screen looks like in terms of like the clock and notifications on here. I'm gonna turn always on display on, but I might have it. We'll see. I might have it scheduled. We'll see, because this is pretty much what it looks like. But you can also change what the clock looks like and everything. And you can change down here too. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna come back and show you how I set mine up. But this is just a unboxing and first impressions. And y'all, Stark is in the building. This phone is clean. This phone is beautiful. Okay, it's gonna collect fingerprints. We know that. If you want those skin on it, you can. If you want to throw a case on it, that's cool too. So I'm gonna change some stuff on here, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys my setup of the Galaxy S10e. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Some accessories should be down the path as well. You know, it's got fast charging already. It's not a big deal. There's a little bit of a camera hump, no big deal, especially if you've had an iPhone before. So what I'm going to do is pop this SIM out. I'm gonna use that SIM tool. Let me go ahead and place this down very gently, you know what I'm saying? Whip out this phone. Now, yes, you want to do immediate, you know, this would be a future video, but if you do an immediate side comparison, you see it's just that much smaller, but it's just that much more accessible. And you guys just don't know how much that makes it feel. And I think it's slightly slimmer too. And I just noticed it, and maybe when you guys get in the hand, you'll notice it too, but how it feels is so amazing in the hand. Just everything is so within reach. And that's something I probably definitely would have appreciated with the 10s, but the 10R, you know, has better value. And of course, in my opinion, the S10e has better value than the S10 and S10 Plus, despite the in-display fingerprint sensor and additional camera module. But we will officially know that after the review, which will be in the weeks to come. But Your boy Versatile is signing out. And until the next video, woo. Wait for it.